we rely on plants for food and clothing, wood for shelter and fuel, and also for medicines and certain chemicals. Now onwards we will see the origin of land plants and their evolutionary history and different adaptations which they evolved for a shift of life from aquatic environment to land environment. The evolution of plants on land is actually the story of conquest of land by algae. Algae actually remained in water for about 500 million years, and there they do not have the problem of water production, because they had a lot of water there and they needed water for their fertilization, and there was a protection of UV radiations inside water. Also they have number of other advantages in water. And when they had to shift from aquatic environment to land environment, they had to develop various strategies in order to combat the land environment, which was totally different from the aquatic environment. So green algae are thought to be the ancestors of land plants, and land plants evolved around 450 million years ago. So here you can see that the ancestral green algae about 450 million years ago gave rise to these bryophytes, और bryophytes ने कुछ ऐसे features develop किए जो कि life on land के लिए ज़रूरी थे. Afterwards advancement of characters हुए, and then we had these early vascular land plants. Bryophytes में actually vascular system नहीं था, they were non-vascular and flowerless plants, while in pteridiophytes vascular system develop हुआ, और बाद में gymnosperms and angiosperms में seed development हुई. And in case of gymnosperms they were seedless plants, in case of gymnosperms they were naked seeded, while in case of angiosperms they were enclosed seeded या closed seeded plants. So plants have various general characteristics, as we can see that they are eukaryotic and they are autotrophic, meaning thereby they can manufacture their own food by the process of photosynthesis, and they are multicellular and they are non-motile, they can't move and they are stick to their certain position and they are stationary, and they have an embryo, and obviously they have a cell wall. Now we will see that how they are classified into various divisions on the basis of origin and certain features which they share with each other. Number one is division Bryophyta, which is then subdivided into Hepaticopsida, Bryopsida and Anthoceropsida. And then we have division Tracheophyta, जो कि vascular plants हैं, and they are subdivided into Psilopsida, Lycopsida, Sphenopsida, Pteropsida. And then subdivision Pteropsida is divided into three classes. Number one is the class of ferns, the other class is that of naked seeded plants which are called as gymnospermi, and third one is angiospermi or flowering plants. So we will now move from step by step from one division to the other division, and we will see how with the course of time they develop various adaptive features, and they achieve the success to live the life on land.